Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a long-range flashlight. So this one here says super bright long-range flashlight. Let's check it and see if it really is super bright long range. I'm not sure we'll be able to check the long range inside of my house, but we will give it a go. Okay, got it open here. It's got a little heft to it. It is rechargeable. That is nice, rechargeable. And it comes with the little strap on there, which is nice. So you can put it on your wrist and then you can just cinch this up. So you can kind of still have your hands free if you need to for doing some other stuff. We have a charging cable, which is USB to USB-C, which is good. And it looks like it will, where does it charge from? Charges from right there. You can see USB. Let's open that up and look at it. It has the USB-C and USB out, so you could use it to charge your phone or something if you needed to as well. Okay, I put it on my left hand, even though I'm a righty, but let's go ahead and try to turn it on. There's the on button right there. Probably have to hold it. Or I might need to do something with the battery to make it go. See, the battery is over here. Let's open this up. And yes, there's a little piece of plastic that we have to remove, so don't forget to do that. Probably said it in the instructions. It's got a nice strong clip on here. This clip is nice and strong, so you can clip it onto something as well. Okay, so here we are. Now we have, wow, look at how bright that is. I have studio lights on and everything, and it is ridiculously bright. Holy mackerel. Okay, so there's that. I could not look directly at it. Okay, and then, it's adjustable this way. So watch that. So I can adjust it there. And that is a bright light. It's even hard to just look at. It's so bright. It almost feels warm. Okay, so there, that is super cool. And we can see where it's 78% charged. So that's kind of cool too. So this is a great little flashlight. Holy mackerel. This is awesome. And it's good. And it seems like it's got a good hefty battery, so it'll probably last a good long time as well. So there we go. So it's hot. I guess it gets hot because of how bright it is. That is cool. That's a great flashlight. Does it do anything else? No, just on and off, I guess. And it tells you the percentage of how much is left. That's great. So that's good. So you'll always know when you're running low. But this is a nice one here. This one, I am going to put this one into my van, so I will have it with me as I travel around. Boy, that looks good. I should just use this for my studio lights, as long as I don't look at it. If I looked at it, man, that would be crazy. But okay, so super bright flashlight. I'm sure this would get really distant. It would go probably shine anywhere. So it's crazy that how bright it is, because I have two studio lights and then a ring light on, and it still lights me up. So great flashlight. If you need one, pick this one up. This is cool. It's not really warm yet, so I think we're good. So totally awesome. Thumbs up.